I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in, so open Facebook now and go straight to your profile. This saves time. Once there, tap Settings and Privacy, then Activity Log. That's the hub for everything you've done. Make sure to pick App versus Web View because the layout and available filters differ, and you want the full set of controls. Start by scanning the most recent entries to confirm you're in the right place, so the rest of the cleanup is focused and fast. Once in Activity Log, use the Filters menu to narrow results by category, date, or interaction type. This helps you find posts, comments, or reactions quickly. Then use the search field to locate keywords, people, or pages, because scanning manually wastes time. When you tap an entry, you'll see options to edit, hide from timeline, or delete. Choose Delete for permanent removal or Hide if you might want it later. Make sure to repeat filtering for each content type so nothing is missed. You're almost done. Review your privacy settings and saved activity to ensure future posts follow your preferences. This prevents repeats. If you want a copy, go to Settings, right arrow your Facebook information, right arrow download your information, pick the data range and file format, then request the download. If entries don't appear or actions fail, update the app, clear browser cache, or retry on another device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.